How to add contact list to HubSpot. So just go to HubSpot and then you can just hover your mouse over this one and then click on lists here. Next, you can just click on create list here at the top right, and then make sure that you select contacts since we're going to add a contacts list. So just click on next here. Make sure, and then you can just add a filter if you want. So I'm just not going to do that since I'm just going to create a list. So just click on review and save here at the top. And then make sure that it is static, and then you can have exclusions here as well if you want. You can just choose any of the drop down here, and then click on properties. You can just add a description for this property here. So I'll just add a property description example, and then you can just click on save and process list, and there you go. Now you have your own contacts list. Okay, so you just need to add contacts here. Now you can just click on add contacts, choose your contact. You can select 2 of them or just 1, and then click on add contacts. Okay, and then just refresh, and there you go. Now you have a contact to this list. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.